Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap Get Started. As you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method, different types of cards, and you can manage all of your payment methods. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, your activity, and go to Settings. In Settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, set screen lock, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.